Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you, or we're both gonna be learning, um, well, scientific equipment. As you guys can see the presentation. So I'm just gonna take you through it. So first off, we're gonna like science equipment is what you use in a laboratory. And remember, this is not a copy from Google. I learned this in my class and I put it here. So this is a beaker. A beaker is a glass container with a flat bottom with a small spout, which you can use for pouring, like that. Yeah. It is used in the chemistry lab, as I just told you, for mixing, heating and stirring liquids. So like you heat it, so like the glass like of the beaker, it won't like break or anything. So like you can use it for mixing and stirring as well. So for liquids, obviously. So beakers come in various sizes, are and are like shaped like a cylinder. So they're like this, like a glass, but more, you know. Let me just delete this. I don't know why this is still here. I added the text, mate. Mate, I added the text. What is happening? What is happening today? Okay, let's move on. Let's just ignore that. Okay, this is a conical flask or an Erlenmeyer flask, which is a person. This flask is based on a person. You'll get to see it. On a conical flask, I'm not gonna call that. I'm just gonna call it that because this is too hard to say. A conical flask is a kind of flask with the base in the shape, but when it goes up, it goes thinner and shorter like a cone, like a neck. So, like, this is my body, so it just goes like this. It was first invented in 1861 by a German chemist named Richard Erlenmeyer. Erlenmeyer flasks are used in laboratories. This type of flask is used as a container for chemical substances or to heat or boil liquids. So it does not spill. It doesn't allow it to spill because of the cone structure. And now we're moving on. A graduated cylinder, also known for measuring cylinder or mixing cylinder, is a common piece of laboratory equipment. So you can measure like the volume of the liquid. So you get the idea how much volume it is and how much you need to put in a container. So you can use that, and it has a cylindrical shape as shown in the picture on the left. Each marked line on the graduated cylinder represents like the amount of liquid there is there. So next, Bunsen burner. Ooh, this is my favorite. A Bunsen burner is named after Robert Bunsen, the person who invented what? Who invented the Bunsen burner? Robert Bunsen. It is a kind of gas burner used as a laboratory equipment. It produces a single open gas flame, so just like one, not what you usually get on your gas, like on your stove or anything. Just goes like around. A single open flame, just one, and is used for heating, sterilization. Sterilization means like cleaning and making it like sanitized, and combustion, which and combustion. And test tube. A test tube, also known as culture tube or sample tube, is a common piece of laboratory glassware. So, consisting of a finger length glass. So, if you put your finger in it, that's how much it is. Don't put your finger in. It may get stuck. Or clear plastic tubing, open at the top and the bottom. Open at the top and close at the bottom. It's used for test experiment, like you put stuff in it and then you can pour it into other things. That's why it's used. So it won't like spill like super easily. Like you saw the cone one, it could spill, very narrowly, but this is just thin and used for testing, so you don't use a lot. A funnel is a tube or pipe that is wide at the top and narrow at the bottom, used for guiding liquid or powder into a small opening. So if you pour it, like you put the bottle like there underneath it, and then you put the funnel on top of it, and then you put whatever you want at the top, and then it'll go pouring down into the uh, container or bottle or whatever. A volumetric flask is a lab glass or plasticware used to prepare a solution. So like you put like oil and or you put water and sugar, and then that's a solution. It is used to make up a solution known to a known volume. Volumetric flasks are used to measure volumes, so you can measure it as well. Volumes are much more precisely than beakers or Aaron conical flasks. And we've come to the end. That was like a short information about what I learned. I learned this like 2 days early, and then I was like, I'll show it to you guys, and I thought you guys would be happy about it because I spent a lot of time on this PPT. And remember, nothing is from Google, so go ahead, tell this to your teacher if you're in grade 4. Go ahead and yeah, see you guys. Actually, if you guys want me to make like a class and like a Google Classroom, and then I can notify you when I'm going to make videos and teach stuff to you guys, just hit the like button, 3 likes, and I'll do it. Okay? See you guys later.